Hi, welcome to Waiterio. In this video, I would like to share with you how to add or change tables in the Waiterio app. Open the Waiterio app. Navigate to the Tables tab. Click on the gear icon. Now you are in the main room. Go ahead and click the gear icon. You will have three options: the new table, rename room, and delete room. Select Add New Table to add a table. The new table will show up together with your existing tables. Select the newly created table from the drop-down. You can adjust the horizontal and vertical position according to your preference. You can also adjust the rotation, size, and shape of your table. You can assign a name of your table. You also have an option for the placement of your label. After customizing your table, click the Save Map button. You can add more tables as desired. If you want to change a table, just select the gear icon again and select the table you want to change. After you're done with the changes, click the Save Map button. To delete the table, just click the gear icon and select the table you want to delete. Then click the Delete button and click the Save Map button. There we have it, a short video on how to add or change tables. Thank you very much and have a great day.